in order for us to have optimal health and nutrition and really optimize the functioning of our cells, we need a certain set of nutrients. This includes the idea of, as I like to think of it, as foundational nutrition. The foundational nutrition product, or PreTRITION, the way to think about that is it's a thoughtful combination of various nutraceuticals and other natural products as well. And what do I mean by that, and why is it useful for any of us? Well, actually, it turns out there's a set of studies some years ago which demonstrated that roughly 80% of Americans are deficient in a set of the 41 essential vitamin minerals that we all need as human beings to survive. And that's quite interesting to think about, because what it's telling us is that we don't have enough nutrients, we don't consume enough nutrients to really maintain optimal functioning of our cells, tissues, and our bodies. And so the idea of foundational nutrition, or PreTRITION, is really to fill our cellular buckets, as it were, of these various nutrients, the vitamins and minerals, because that's what's really needed to drive our metabolism, the overall health of our cells in our body. As part of our PreTRITION composition are various wonderful nutrients, or nutraceutical agents, and those include such things as astaxanthin, which is a wonderful, potent amphipathic antioxidant. What that means is it serves as an antioxidant within the cell, which is about 70% water, as well as in the cell membrane, where there are lipids and fats. And that's particularly useful because lipids in our bodies are unusually susceptible to the oxidative damage. So a compound like astaxanthin is protective for that. And of course, AC11 as well, from cat's claw. It has remarkable properties, not only as an anti-inflammatory agent, and it also prevents cells that aren't dividing, for example, in the brain, the retina, and the heart, from dying. And in addition, it has this intriguing property of stabilizing and potentially elongating telomeres, the structures found at the end of our chromosomes that are associated with aging.
With AC11, we're the only known compound that I know about that repairs DNA while increasing the length or maintaining the length of telomeres. And this is very important because if you lengthen the telomere, you're extending the life of a cell. You don't necessarily want to extend the life of a cell that has mutations in it and damage. That's when AC11 steps in with its DNA repair mechanism. It does both. It repairs DNA while extending the life of the telomeres, the length of the telomeres, and producing a more healthy cell profile.
You can imagine PreTRITION as a wholesome medley of various nutraceuticals that help, again, in stabilizing our cells and tissues in our body and improving and optimizing our overall health.